Hello student, good morning. Today we will start the next life cycle, that is Ascaris lumbricoides. This is the nematode parasite of children or human beings. Classification of Ascaris lumbricoides: phylum Nemathelminthes, order Ascaroidea, genus Ascaris, species lumbricoides. It is commonly known as roundworm. It is commonly known as roundworm and inhabits the small intestine, means live in the body of small intestine of man or children, intestine of man, and is more common in children. Roundworms are cosmopolitan in distribution. Roundworm are cosmopolitan in distribution. It completes its life cycle without intermediate host. It completes its life cycle without intermediate host, means it requires only one host, definitive host. Intermediate host is not present. The mouth of Ascaris is bounded by three lips. The mouth of Ascaris is bounded by three lips, one dorsal and two ventrolateral. The lips have papillae and amphids, which are gustatory in function. The animal show sexual dimorphism. The female is longer than the male. Moreover, the posterior end of the male is curved ventrally just behind the mouth on the mid-ventral line. A single excretory pore is present. Single excretory pore is present. Means male and female are the separated, that is dioecious or unisexual in condition. In female is transverse anus. Female is transverse anus is a separate opening which lies at the posterior end, while in the male anus and genital aperture opens posteriorly into a common chamber, the cloaca, which opens to the outside via cloacal aperture in female. The genital aperture is present on the mid-ventral line at about 1/3 of the length from the anterior end. In male, from the cloaca to equal chitinous spicules, pineal city projects which help in copulation. A post-anal part of the body, the tail, is present in both the sexes. Life history of Ascaris lumbricoides. Life history. The copulation takes place inside the intestine of the host. Copulation takes place inside the intestine of the host. After fertilization, the ovum undergoes maturation. After fertilization, the ovum undergoes maturation, division, and is released in the intestine of the host, from where they pass out with the feces under suitable environmental conditions. The eggs develop into the rhabditoid. Eggs develop into the rhabditoid. Rhabditoid is the larva, first larva, rhabditoid larva. An infective stage which again reaches the intestine of man by ingestion of the contaminated food or water. In the host intestine, the egg cells are dissolved and juveniles hatch out. These juveniles bore the intestine and enter in the hepatic portal system and are distributed to the liver, heart, and finally the lungs, where they attain the larval stage, third larval stage, which is followed by fourth larval stage. The fourth stage larvae reach the pharynx through trachea and finally reach the gut, where it attains adult stage. The average lifespan of this worm is 9 to 12 months in man. 9 to 12 months. Diseases. A lumbricoids causes ascariasis. Ascaris lumbricoids causes ascariasis. That is the disease name, ascariasis, which is more in children than in the adult persons. In the intestine of man, these worms take the digested food materials. The larvae are more harmful and cause a number of complications in the kidney, muscle, brain, lungs, and spinal cord. A lumbricoids causes fever, temperature, hemorrhage, appendicitis, tumor, colic pain, ulcer, diarrhea, indigestion, eosinophilia, or any other deceptive symptoms in severe infections. Prevention and control. Before eating, the green vegetables should be thoroughly washed. Before eating, the green vegetables should be thoroughly washed and cooked properly. The disease can be best treated by administering antihelminthic drugs such as oil of chenopodium, alcopar, bendex, divormis, mevex, pentel, perit, vermin, zentel. These are the treatment of this on the Ascaris lumbricoids, medicines or drugs. This is the life cycle of Ascaris lumbricoids. Okay, thank you.